often get asked what speed my power supply is set at while I'm working. And honestly, there is no magic speed that works every time. The speed of your machine really determines on how quickly your hand moves. For example, if your machine speed is higher and your hand is slow, you're going to get lines. On the other side, if your machine speed is too slow and your hand speed is too fast, you're going to rip up the skin. The needle will not have enough time to come up out of the skin before you drag it through. This could also bend the needle while you're working, and it will cause a lot of trauma. You want your machine speed to match your hand speed. Some people need a speed that's a little bit slower if their hand moves slower, and then you can bump up the speed if your hand is a little bit faster. The goal here is you want to see a clean, even pixel of pigment drop down into the skin while causing a minimal amount of trauma. So adjust your machine speed according to your hand and find what works best for you.